goodness gracious me, it's a windy one. We've always got plenty of wind here on the Fylde coast. Today we're going to take a look at Blackpool's biggest ever Illumination installation, and I've upgraded to my customised single fingerless glove. Don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications and sign up for your weekly email newsletter. It's absolutely gorgeous, but I tell you something, it's parky. See the donkeys, look, plying their trade on a very windy beach. It's a lovely day, but it's very, very windy. Anyway, it looks like the new Illumination has been built to the correct tolerance, because it's not even moving, look. It's not even moving. This is the first part of Odyssey. Odyssey is the new installation that's going in for Blackpool, which of course is taking place now and during October half term. Everything's, well, you can see the sticks of rock moving about. It's enough to blow you off your feet currently. So the guys had started delivering this on Friday. So we're going to go and take a look. We're going to go and take a look around and see what's to do. So news that this was happening started to be released in spring this year. And I can remember sitting on the comedy carpet down here on my hands and knees doing a video about something big coming to Blackpool. And it was the result of a competition to design a new installation, and it attracted entries from all around the world. And I told on tight to my camera, it's blown away. An installation of it, as I said, started on Friday the 14th of October, and we'd seen some base units being delivered on a wet Wednesday. I think it was these black ones that it's actually sat on a wet Wednesday last week. And then on Friday afternoon they appeared on the Viva webcam, which of course is just on the building over there. So it's not just for Blackpool, and Illumination is not just for half term, it's for all year. It's not just for Blackpool, it's for Christmas. I'm just stopping. Can you see these two chaps up here on the top of the tower building? I reckon he's got a wind monitor and he's looking to see what the wind speed is. I just noticed him and they put me off. Yeah, so they're stopping up for Christmas. So the Christmas village is back on Tower Festival Headland. So these cabins will be trimmed up. The ice skating rink is back again this year. So looking at the artist's impression, this is the smallest of six pieces of display, and they're almost 10 metres high, which is almost 33 feet. And that's the average height of a 3-storey house with a pitched roof. And this one is, as I said, it looks slightly smaller than the others from the artist's impression. 10 metres is about the same as 5 front doors standing end on end, if you can imagine that. So the 6 large-scale structures will create an immersive experience with light and interactive projections. And they're themed on creatures from the deep sea. I saw something on Facebook at the weekend that was sort of a science fiction-y type thing, and I thought it quite reminded me of this actually. Oh look, there's some bits of it there on the floor that are going to be going on presumably shortly, looking at the cherry picker. And it's been designed by Blackpool-born Jack Irvine and computer scientists from Lancaster University. And oh, you lost an arm, mate. You lost an arm. And he did hot ice costumes one year, but he's best known for theatrical stage outfits and doing work for people like Lady Gaga. There's some more tentacles in that van, look. So presumably then it's going to have long drapey arms. And these guys that are fitting it are from Lightworks, which is the Illuminations department at Blackpool Council. And they've made it and they're installing it. Got some clever guys in Blackpool. Some clever guys. So you never know, before the day's out I might get to see some other bits being installed. Very interesting. Very interesting. I'm trying to work out what kind of goes where. No, it's beyond me at the moment. So that's the first part of Odyssey. So you'll be able to walk in between these 6 sculptures in a sort of an alley, and you'll get an interactive projection light show. We'll keep you posted. We'll keep you posted. Do you know, it's lovely. If that wind just dropped a little bit, it'd be quite warm. Anyway, from a lovely sunny Blackpool seafront, enjoy your day. Make sure that you've subscribed. Make sure that you've signed up for your newsletter. And we will see you soon. Bye for now.